Moving doesn't have to be stressful. Whether you're relocating across town or across the country, Three Movers in Phenix City, Alabama is your trusted moving partner. With over 20 years of experience, we're ready to help with all your moving needs. Three Movers is here to make your local and long-distance moves seamless. Our expert team handles all the details, from packing to unloading, so you can focus on settling into your new home. Need help with packing? Our full-service team offers expert packing and unpacking to ensure your belongings are safe and secure. We even offer white glove services for fragile or high-value items. From disassembling furniture at your old place to reassembling it at your new one, we do it all. Our team ensures everything is set up just the way you want it. Need to relocate your office or business? We've got you covered with our office moving services. Military personnel often face quick relocations. Three Movers understands the urgency and offers fast, reliable military moving services to ensure your move is as smooth as possible, whether you're moving within the country or overseas. Moving doesn't have to break the bank. Three Movers offers competitive, transparent pricing with no hidden fees. We'll provide you with an upfront estimate so you know exactly what to expect. Ready to make your move? Call us today at 1-800-123-4567 or visit our website to get your free quote. Our professional team at Three Movers is here to ensure your move goes smoothly.